Make a great choice today with the 2020 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, remote engine start, remote power door locks, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, heated passenger seat, leather seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.